Question number 1. Which of the following is an adverb of manner? The right answer is option A. Quickly. Question number 2. Which sentence contains an adverb of frequency? The right answer is option B. He is always on time. Question number 3. What is the function of an adverb in a sentence? The right answer is option B. Modifies a verb, adjective, or another adverb. Question number 4. Choose the correct sentence with an adverb of place. The right answer is option B. He lives nearby. Question number 5. Which sentence uses an adverb of time? The right answer is option B. I will see you later. Question number 6. Which of the following is a coordinating conjunction? The right answer is option B. And. Question number 7. Which sentence uses a subordinating conjunction? The right answer is option B. I will call you when I arrive. Question number 8. Choose the sentence with correlative conjunction. The right answer is option A. Either you come with me or stay home. Question number 9. Which of the following is a subordinating conjunction? The right answer is option C. Since. Question number 10. Which sentence uses a conjunction correctly? The right answer is option C. He studied hard because he wanted to pass. Question number 11. Which of the following is an adverb of degree? The right answer is option A. Very. Question number 12. Which sentence contains an adverb of time? The right answer is option B. I will call you tomorrow. Question number 13. Identify the adverb in the sentence. She sings beautifully. The right answer is option B. Beautifully. Question number 14. What type of adverb is rarely? The right answer is B. Adverb of frequency. Question number 15. Which of the following sentences uses an adverb of place? The right answer is option B. They are waiting outside. Question number 16. Which of the following is a subordinating conjunction? The right answer is option A. Before. Question number 17. Choose the sentence with the correct use of a coordinating conjunction. The right answer is option A. She was tired but she went to work. Question number 18. Which sentence uses a correlative conjunction? The right answer is option A. He likes both tea and coffee. Question number 19. What is the rule of a conjunction in a sentence? The right answer is option B. Connects words, phrases, or clauses. Question number 20. Which of the following conjunctions correctly connects to independent clauses? The right answer is option B. I studied hard but failed the test. Question number 21. Choose the sentence that uses an adverb of frequency. The right answer is option B. He always helps his friends. Question number 22. Identify the adverb of manner in the sentence. The baby slept peacefully. The right answer is option C, peacefully. Question number 23. Which sentence contains an adverb of degree? The right answer is option B. He is almost finished. Question number 24. Which of the following sentences has an adverb of less? The right answer is option C. The children are playing outside. Question number 25. What type of adverb is carefully in the sentence? He read the instructions carefully. The right answer is option C, adverb of manner. Question number 26. Which of the following sentences uses a subordinating conjunction? The right answer is option C. She stayed home because she was sick. Question number 27. Which conjunction correctly completes the sentence? He didn't go to school blank. He was feeling unwell. The right answer is option B, because. Question number 28. Choose the sentence with the correct use of correlative conjunction. The right answer is option D. They are neither happy nor satisfied. Question number 29. What type of conjunction is used in the following sentence? She will come if she has time. The right answer is option B, subordinating. Question number 30. Which sentence uses a coordinating conjunction? The right answer is option C. I like apples but I prefer orange.